Today I'm showing you a simple way of making milk tea at home, which tastes as good as the one you get from milk tea store, but much healthier. One of my ingredients is teabags, a premium variety of oolong tea. The tea I use is the black tea that I got from Whole Foods. First, pour about 8 ounces of water into the pot. When the water is boiling, add 1 or 2 grams of teabags tea to give the milk tea a fermented aroma. Reduce the heat and simmer for 3 minutes. Then add 2 tea bags of black tea and simmer for another 3 minutes. Now add 2 cups of milk into the boiling tea. I use organic whole milk. You may also use skimmed milk. Return to boil and simmer for 1 or 2 minutes. Be careful, don't let the milk overflow. After turning off the heat, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Here is my secret ingredient. I always add a little less than half teaspoon of salt into the milk tea. It can add the richness to the milk tea and brings out the aroma of milk and the tea. Filter out the tea leaves and pour out the milk tea. My pot can filter out the tea leaves itself. You can use a small sieve to filter them out. A cup of milk tea is ready. Enjoy!